application which we are going to develop is the complex or advanced calculator. I have already created this simple calculator and I want this project to be save project as. You can use your one project as a second project also. For this, I am saving this project as, not copy, as complex or advanced, or you can write advanced calculator. So my application has been saved as advanced calculator. When I select on my project, see, first calculator which was the simple calculator has been there as a calculator, and if I want to work on the advanced calculator, this will appear, right? So first of all, I am going to change this label text as advanced calculator, right? I want to change the screen color. The screen color, background color is cyan. Now I want it as orange. So you can have this like. Enter the first number, enter the second number. These are same. Result will be appeared here. Now I want to enter few more functions, right? For that, I'll drag one of the button here, right, and design again this button. I want to rename it as power button. I want to have this power button. So here I'll give po button. The name of this button will be is po button. Now if I want to change few of the things, that is, text should be bold, italic, sizes 20, right? Then I have used serif type, and then no image. The shape is rounded and text is power, and if you want it in the center, the text is center, and if you want the default color as white text color, and the background color should be black. See, my fifth button is also placed here. Similarly, if you want to have greater than or less than or other buttons, right? If you want to have other functions, you can also design for that. So I'm going towards the block programming, and here I am having the fifth button as power button when po button is clicked. Fine, I'll scroll down little. Then what should be done? I have to use set result. I'm duplicating it, I'm placing it here, and now I'm taking this particular here. I'm going to the math function, built-in functions, and here I am having this power function. This power functions do what? Return the first number raised to the power of second number. The first number raised to the power of second number. Suppose I have given first number as 2 and the second number as 3. 2 to the power 3, which means 8. So result should be 8, right? I'm having this here and this number here. I'll put this into the dustbin. So in this way, my fifth button coding has been done, right? When I select this part, I am having many more functions. See, if you want to check two numbers are equal or not, fine, you can have equal, you can have not equal, you can have less than, equal to, greater than and greater than equal to, right? You can have these things. So first of all, I'm putting this into the dustbin. I'm going to the again to the my designer part, and now I'll have one layout. I am having horizontal layout here, and I'll put this here above the result. Now I'm going to have same properties as arrangement 3. The properties are, it is in the center, height is set to the 40 pixels, width is fill parent, none color of the background. So same properties I need here. This is as center, default color, background color should be none, height is 40. Okay, I'll check again. The height was 40 pixels, so here I need height as 40 pixels. Okay, and I'll press OK, right, and for the width I'm using fill parent. Okay, and see, my layout has been done, and now I can drag the buttons. So button 1, another button, and then third button. Now I'm going to have, if I want to see whether both numbers are equal or not, right? The second is the both numbers are is greater than or less than, or I can have text for, any other function. I can use less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. So here I'm going to design this particular button as something different, right? So for the text, I'm going to have greater, fine, lesser, or I want third button as equal. Fine. I want this as, if first number is greater than the second number, first number is less than the second number, or first number is equal to the number. Fine. If I want to have this like this, and I want to have one label here to be placed in between here, you can have some logic. Check. I will have this. Check if your number, if your numbers are right. I can have all these functions and have their result, or I can have check if your numbers are greater, lesser, or equal. So I will change some of the properties of this label. The background color, I need nothing. I can have this as bold, also as italic. I can have the size of this is 25, and that's it. Now I want to have these buttons to be changed. So first of all, I'll rename it as greater button. Fine. The second button as lesser button. And the last one as equal button. Fine. So I have changed the name of all three buttons. Now, when I select the first button, that is greater button, I want it as bold, as italic. The text should be, we can take monospace. We can change the shape also. You can have rounded button or you can have oval button. I'm going to have the oval button. The default color should be black and text should be, let us have orange color. You want as greater. Similarly, you can have all these properties set for your lesser button, right? So you need it to be bold, italic. It should be okay. First of all, I'll check the size of greater button is 14. Then typeface should be monospace. I don't want to change the height, width or image. Shape should be oval. The default color should be orange and background color should be black. This black. And same I need to have for my equal button. I'm going to have to change the oval shape, the text color as orange, and again the default color as black. So see, this is my advanced calculator where I have 5 functions for performing the arithmetic operation or the mathematical operations, and then I am having these 3 buttons as to have greater, lesser or equal. The result should say whether which number is greater or which number is lesser or are they equal. So in this way I'm going to work for my advanced calculator. In the next video I'll show the block programming part. Stay tuned.